Have you ever opened a website in another language and wished you could read it instantly? Good news! You can translate an entire website in just seconds, and it's completely free. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Let's start with the easiest method, Google Translate. Go to translate.google.com, and instead of typing text, paste the website URL you want to translate. For example, if you found a Japanese article, copy its link and paste it into the box on the left. Then, choose your preferred language, like English, on the right. Now click the link that appears in the translated box. Boom! The entire website will open in your language, fully translated while keeping the original layout and images. It's fast, automatic, and works on almost any website, news pages, blogs, even online stores. Now, here's an even faster trick if you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Open the website, then right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate to English. Chrome will instantly translate everything: headlines, menus, and even buttons. If you want a different language, just click the small translate icon in your address bar and change the settings. You can translate into any of 100+ languages instantly, without copying any links. And if you're on your phone, this trick works too. In the Chrome mobile app, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, then choose Translate. You'll see a toolbar pop up that lets you switch between the original and translated versions with one tap. But here's a pro tip for advanced users. If you use Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, you can even use built-in translation formulas to translate multiple lines of text at once. For example, in Google Sheets, type =GOGLTRANSLATE A1 auto N and it'll automatically translate whatever's in cell A1. Perfect for translating product listings, comments, or data in bulk. And finally, if you want your translations to sound more natural, tools like DeepL Translator or Microsoft Translator can give more human-like results, great for articles or professional documents. So now you know, with just one click, you can unlock websites in any language instantly. No need to copy and paste paragraph by paragraph ever again. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.